mga ka-friendsies! Happy Valentine's Day everyone! So ngayon it's February 14 and it's Saturday. So meron tayong pa-flower. So ang cute! So it's red roses. Symbolizes full of love. So thank you! Thanks my love for these wonderful flowers. So ayan, meron tayong pa-flowers. So it's still morning. So we still have long day ahead today. So tara, samahan niyo ako sa ating simple day out later. Simple dinner for tonight during Valentine's Day with my family. So samahan niyo ako sa aming munting ganap for today. So tara, samahan niyo ako later. See you! Hello mga ka-friendsies! Happy Valentine's Day everyone! So ngayon it's February 14 and we're having simple dinner. So ngayon dito tayo sa aming favorite restaurant. That's the Cheesecake Factory. So ngayon samahan niyo ako sa aming simple dinner na in-order namin ngayon dito. So we're having the buffalo wings. So inside the buffalo wings, yun yung buffalo strips. And then I'm having pasta and then chicken rice with grilled chicken, pork layer, and then the burger. So tara, samahan niyo kami sa aming simple dinner. Itong appetizer na in-order namin. So that's the buffalo strips with the creamy cheese sauce and the celery sticks. Nakaganda lang nito sa buffalo wings ay talagang boneless siya. Although meron siyang kick of spicy, pero perfect for appetizer. Fries na kasama sa food ni Claire. So ayan, so try natin ang kanilang fries dip. So pag walang sauce, so ngayon, meron tayong buffalo strips. So ito ang kanyang sauce. Ayan. Try natin. Kinat ko na siya. Blue cheese ata. Maanghang siya. Sarap. The usual buffalo wings, pero nasa chips lang siya. Ayan o. Sarap. So heto ang 4 cheese pasta na in-order ko, and I choose spaghetti as pasta. Tinap niya ng parmesan cheese on top. So napaka-cheesy ang spaghetti na yan. At first time natin itong matitikman. So ngayon meron tayong 4 cheese pasta na in red sauce. Tapos meron siyang parmesan cheese on top, and ito yung 4 cheese. So kinumbine ko na siya. Ayan, minix ko na siya. And then meron silang chicken breast. So let's try. Ang bigat ang kanilang plato. Actually, chinoise ko lang yung spaghetti na pasta. Pwedeng penne. Penne pasta. lasa dito. Then ito yung chicken breast.
For our dessert, that's the Godiva Chocolate Cheesecake. And of course, dahil nandito tayo sa Cheesecake Factory, pwede hindi natin matitikman ang kanilang signature cheesecake. So every time na nandito kami, iba-ibang flavor ang gusto naming matikman sa kanilang cheesecake.
Meron tayong Godiva Chocolate Cheesecake. So ito. Yan.
Yeah, I never tried.
So we're gonna try.
Good. Apple top.
Ito yun. Wow. Sarap. Pizza whipped cream. First bite mo pa lang, it melts in your mouth. Ang sarap. 3 layers siya. Para siyang may mousse. Masarap niya, literal. Wow. Perfect 100. Ang sarap. Tingnan nyo.
Never try it.
Wow. So mga ka-Francis, it's a wrap for today. So tapos na ating simple Valentine dinner. So ang iba hindi na natin napakita kasi nagwawala si Claire. So until to our next for travel adventure. Thanks for watching. Happy Valentine's everyone. Bye. Happy Valentine's Day.